Mate, that's gonna drop on the roof.
Oh shit, is it?
You bellend. You.
How'd we get there, man?
Mate.
Does it?
You have to jump from the
He's
thing.
put it on the freaking roof. I
How many got
literally,
there?
I just made 10 grand all by myself, pretty much. And Derek just
Harpo.
dropped it on the roof.
Well, you get the loadout next time then. Where's upstairs? Oh, it's up here.
Heartbeat sensor. It's like alien, this heartbeat sensor, isn't it?
A little bit.
Doesn't despawn, does it?
No, I don't think
Oh no, dropped 98 metres away.
That was funny, Derek.
Oh shit!
I didn't make it. I didn't make it.
What?
Oh, I've got a plan. That's not gonna work either, I don't think.
Incoming chopper?
Yeah, I see that. Go on then.
Did that not work? Oh yeah.